How we doing, everybody? Got another shop upgrade before we get on to some of these projects we need to do. I've got about a 12-foot workbench, some heavy-duty steel drawers under it, 2 by constructions, 3/4 plywood. I'm gonna get some steel for the top. This is my dad's. He built it somewhere around 1960, we estimate. He's had it for a long time. Along with this is a very cool vise. The Columbian Vise Manufacturing Company, Cleveland, Ohio. Can't see the number. This thing weighs 70 pounds. Pretty stout. I'm going to clean that up and use it. It was mounted on this bench, and that's where it's going to go. So I'm going to do a little time lapse. This thing weighs about 350 pounds. You can watch me unload it all by myself. All right, check back in a while. Okay, not too bad. Smarter, not harder, right? I'll show you. I got these nice steel drawers. I got some nice rollers in them. Do a little cleanup on those. And again, if anybody knows anything about the Columbian Vise Manufacturing Company out of Cleveland, Ohio, it's about a 70-pound vise. I'd like to know how old this thing is. Looks pretty old. All right, till next time. Thanks for watching.